To access your NEISD Canva account, the best way to go is through your Launchpad. From neisd.net, click on Launchpad, sign in, and you'll go to your technology folder. Now, your folders may look a little different from mine, but that is okay. I scroll down and I find my technology folder. There's quite a few cool things in there, but the big one that we are focused on today is Canva. Right here, blue circle and a white background. I click on that and it'll connect to my NEISD account. If it's the first time that you have accessed Canva, it may ask to verify your email address, and that is fine. Go ahead and accept that it's connecting your NEISD Google email address. Once you're in Canva, you have access to a lot of different things that are here. So take some time to explore, or if you're working on a project, get started with your teacher's work.